In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your own custom song on Instagram Reels. So I'll be showing you two ways here. So the first way that you could do that is you just need to open up your Instagram application and you want to create a new reel. So to create a new reel, just press on the plus button here. And from here, you want to choose reel at the bottom section and just choose the camera. From here, you just want to record a video together with the song playing on the background. So the best way to do that is you actually want to open up your Spotify application here and just start playing your music here while you start recording your reel. So the other way that we could do this is you can use the CapCut application to start editing the video or the music that you want to add. So for example, just create a new project here, select any music here. So for example, I want to add this one, and here you could just add a new music here, the audio here, and you could just choose and add a new music, or you could record one here. And once you've done that, you could just go back into your Instagram account. So here when you're creating new reel, you can just select the video that you just created in your gallery. So yeah, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.